Good morning, beautiful people. Today is a great day. Today is an awesome day. Today is an amazing day to do something great for yourself and to do something great for somebody else. But do something great for yourself first so you'll be able to take that with you. You know what I mean? Also, too, today is Wednesday. We made it to Wednesday. So that's a great thing, okay? Think about that. We made it to Monday, we made it to Tuesday, and now we made it to Wednesday. So, guys, remember, love yourself so that you will love others, and this world will be a much better place. But don't go anywhere, guys. Hold the line. Hey, guys, I'm back just for a moment. But y'all, I gave y'all a haul, a clothing haul the other day, and I went through my closet. I forgot something, so I'm gonna show it to y'all really, really quick, and then I'm gonna show you something else really, really quick. So it was a dress in my closet that was pushed to the back, hung up, and I was like, I forgot to pull it out and show you guys. So guys, this is the dress. Isn't she cute? Can y'all see her really good? Because I'm way over here. So hold on, let me see if I can come up there. This is the dress that I hauled. And y'all let me know, this dress was part of the sales that I was getting. So either it was $3 or $1, I can't remember. And it's called Who What Wear. How do you wear it? Or something like that. And this dress was $36.99, y'all. Look at that. $36.99. So this is how it looks. Can y'all see? It has pockets, and guys, it is cotton. I'm gonna stop saying that. I'm gonna stop saying it is cotton because y'all already know. So yeah, I'm gonna try to attempt to try this on. It has a zipper here. We're gonna see what we could do. Okay. I hope I don't get embarrassed on camera, y'all. But it is I think it says a small, but this is super cute. Oh, it does have the thing in the front where you can y'all, I've gained like 5 pounds. I don't care if y'all can see it or not. Your girl has gained a few pounds. So let's see. Does it matter? Let's see, does it matter? Wait a minute, is this the right side? Okay. So basically, either this goes in the back or something. Let's see. Oh, guys, she can fit it. Ooh, wait. I like it. Now, I hope I can get it off. I should be able to get it down. Wait a minute. Now, I zipped it down. Shouldn't be having no problems. Okay, now. Y'all, don't y'all hate when y'all be trying to show something, demonstrate something, and it might be a fit? I don't know why is that doing that. But anyway, it zips on the side right here. And as you can see, I have room. You see that? I still have room right here for it to work. But why are you not working? But guys, this is super cute. Look at that. The pockets, the puffs, and either I can wear the string like this or I can put it back like this and tie it up. Let's see how that looks. This is so cute. And it's really a thin cotton material. I love how the sleeves, you can pull them up some more, have it real puffy like that. Y'all see that? Oh, 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 oh. Girl, get into it. Y'all, look at that. Oh my God. I can't wait. Oh, wait. And it's not too short. Can y'all see? It's not too short. It's like right above. It's basically like knee length or above my knee a little bit. I feel like a baby doll. I feel like a baby doll. Oh, she is cute. So guys, yeah, this is a clothing haul item that I forgot. I forgot that I even put it back there. So basically it's like push back. So yeah, and that's how come I forgot. But y'all let me know what y'all think. I absolutely love it. And then too, do y'all see the portraits on the wall over here? Let me bring y'all a little bit closer so y'all can see. But I actually found, I think it probably would have been a couple weeks. I just had them in the closet. So I did find 2 more of the floating glasses like that. So now all of these match. All of those match. So I took this one down. So that is how it's gonna stay. I can always. My whole thing was I wanted to put one of these on the other side, but I don't think that's gonna work. So I'm gonna just leave it like that. I think it's really pretty and it's very uniform. I always wanted to like have all the same ones. So I think you guys remember this is one that just don't have a glass insert, but they're still pretty. And if you're wondering, I think they're Project 66. I think that's the name of them. So guys, I am going to get ready to end this video because I have to go, and I was a little bit late coming on today, but I will come back later once I return home. But I wanted to show you guys the dress that I forgot that was pushed back in the closet, and the frames and how that looks. So guys, I will see you when I get back later on, and hopefully I know for a fact. Well, my hair is done. I just have it. It's done. I like my little knot. Let me see if y'all can see her. Yeah, I have my little knot. I done did the wrong thing. Hold on, y'all. I put y'all too far down. Supposed to be up here. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, hair is done. I just had it tied up for now because it's cold outside and I gotta get ready to warm the truck up. So I will see you guys later in the next video. And well, no, I will see you guys later in the next clip. So hold the line, please. Okay, hold the line. Hey y'all. So a lot of y'all, I don't know if y'all, we're gonna make a smoothie. That's what we're about to do right now. We're gonna make us a smoothie. So just be prepared to get ready to make this smoothie with me. But I asked some of you guys yesterday, I asked y'all, I said, look in the thumbnail and look and see if you see anything different about anything in the picture. Not the picture itself, but everything that was outside the picture. I wanted you guys to tell me, did you see anything in the background that was noticeable? Yeah, so some of y'all said y'all saying something, I think. I'm gonna check the rest of the comments, but I was like, I don't think they really paid attention to what I was talking about. But guys, I'm hungry and I'm gonna make me a smoothie. So you guys are gonna just be here. And I fixed me some dairy-free cream cheese and blueberry crackers because I'm hungry and I needed something to put on my stomach. But I'll show you guys in a moment. Hold on. I'm gonna show y'all. I'll show you guys in a minute what I was trying to show y'all or ask y'all in the picture, but nobody I think caught on, but that's okay. That's okay. Y'all, smoothies, boy, they be hitting it. They really be hitting it. Especially if you're really hungry. I'm trying to think. I don't think I ate breakfast this morning. I didn't. I know what I need to get. I need to get me some scissors, some kitchen cutting scissors. I have some scissors down here, but they're in the craft drawer, and I don't think they're not made for that kind of stuff. So yeah, I need to get some. So that'll be something I'll be on the lookout for. So guys, I'm just using some mangoes, pineapple, and strawberry. I might do a banana because, I think I'm gonna do a banana too. Because I got some, I got a banana that I can use that need to be used up before it's gonna go bad. So, and this ain't snapping or what? What is going on? So how you guys day today? How you guys doing? Hope all is well. Are y'all watching inauguration? I ain't. Hold on. I am not watching it because I don't think it matters to me. It don't have nothing to do with, I don't know. Some people might get mad, but I ain't watching it. I'll just say that. I'm not going to watch it. Ooh, y'all. Look at these bananas. Look at these bananas. Oh my gosh, I don't even think I have an extra one in the refrigerator. Okay, I'll just use this one. We'll just use this one. So we're gonna have banana. We're gonna use all of this. This thing looking bad. Oh, you look terrible. But we ain't gonna waste you though. We not wasting no banana here. Okay, we got that. What else do I put in here? I'm gonna put some cinnamon here, guys, and I'm gonna put a little bit of I'm gonna put a piece of ginger in here also. Yep. So I'll show you guys in a minute once I'm finished with this smoothie what I was mentioning in the in yesterday's video, since you guys didn't catch on to it. Like I said, it's okay. You don't know, you just don't know. And it's all right. It's all right. Let's get a piece of this ginger. Y'all, look how these roots is growing on this ginger. After I take them, because I don't even, what I did was when I bought this, I rinsed it real good. So I just cut pieces off of it. But after I cut a piece, I always notice that it has new roots on it. So that just go to show you can grow your own. You can grow your own ginger at home. You probably could put this in some dirt and it'll root on its own. I'm probably gonna try it. So I'm gonna use that piece. And we already put the milk in. This is gonna be pretty tight, y'all. Pretty tight. Oh, guess not that tight. So yeah, I just got home. I'm gonna say maybe 20 minutes ago. And I'm really, really hungry, so I just wanna make sure it's tight, so it don't spill inside the bullet machine. So y'all gonna have to hold the line because it's gonna be some noise. So hold on a second, okay? Hold on 1 second. Oh, y'all, she looking good. Look at that. Oh, she looking good. So let's taste her. Let's taste. She thick too. She thick. Ooh. Y'all, it even smells good. Oh my gosh. Let's taste. Y'all, this is like candy. This is like candy for real. So, let me go get my crackers. And then we'll get straight to the point, y'all. We'll get straight to the point. Yeah. Hold the line, y'all. Hold the line. Oh my gosh, y'all. I know y'all wish y'all had some. Y'all want some? Y'all, this is dessert. Pineapple, mango, strawberries, banana, ginger, and cinnamon. Knock your socks off. Yep. So guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and tell y'all what it is because I can't believe I didn't see it. So basically, I kind of gave it away yesterday too when I said the curtain rod that we got to go up here, it had an extra piece, so which was making it longer. So the ones we did in the bedroom and switched them out, and now they're all the same. One of those curtain rods, guys, were able to do something. Was able to make a solution to what we was looking for. I'm just gonna go and show y'all. And then I'm gonna end this video. Okay? So, do y'all see anything? Anything back here that's noticeable? Y'all don't see the crossbars on the bar cart? That's what I was saying. So guys, the curtain rod, y'all see it now? The curtain rod, look how beautiful that is, y'all. Look at that. Y'all see it? Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. So, the curtain rod that we were going to throw away in the back in the bedroom was able to work for the crossbar that we needed. So, he just has it on there like with some tape right now. So we got to still like find the right thing to drill the hose in to attach it, but it's still on there. I can show you better than I can tell y'all. I'll show you right here. So he taped, if you guys can see, there's a little bit of tape right there, but one of them are holding it up. But yeah, it works. We like it. And I'm surprised you guys didn't know. So yeah, I am going to finish my smoothie. And guys, I will see you tomorrow in another video. Please remember to love yourself so this world could be a much better place. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, y'all. Bye.